Hello and welcome back to my shop. I'm Rick with Rick Racks Woodworking, and I came home Friday evening after work, and I was sitting here in the shop trying to determine what I needed to do next. And one of the things that really stood out was I had 4 cordless drills with the chargers and the batteries, drill bits in drawers, screwdriver bits in drawers, and I had to kind of dig through the drawers to find what I needed. And it just occurred to me that I needed to have something to put all of these things together, put them at my fingertips where I can get to them when I need them without having to dig around and try to find what I need. So I came up with the idea of a drill charging station, and I put together several plans that I found online and consolidated them and made one that I really liked. And this is what I come up with, and I wanted to share that with you. I hope you enjoyed the video, and we'll talk about it more after the video's over. Stay tuned and let me know what you think. Well, I hope you enjoyed this video build project this weekend. I'm tickled to death with the way it came out. I didn't go into a whole lot of details as far as size and dimensions and diameters for the holes that I cut for the drills, because everybody's going to have their own particular needs. Their drills are going to be different sizes and different configurations. You may not have as many, you may have more. I have 4 drills here, and as if you notice, I have quite a few containers of drill bits and screw bits. So I tailored this for my needs. I hope you take this basic design, tailor it to fit your needs in your shop, and go out there and build one for yourself. I hope you liked this video. If you did, give me a thumbs up. Like and subscribe to my channel. Share this video with others, and maybe they will be inspired to do something in their shop. Come back and visit me sometimes, but more importantly, have a blessed day. Enjoy life. Share with others. Thank you.